I got a boo. Hello, my love. How is your day? Nina, you are seriously the best little helper ever. So I was doing dishes because we're about to go to the pool because today is kind of an exciting day. Nina's friend from the steak place is coming over. So we're gonna go swim and get some sun. But when I turned around, Nina had packed our bag. She put baby formula in there. I just topped it up. And a water bottle and a burp rag. You're so thoughtful, honey. Thank you for all your help.
You're welcome.
What are you making?
I'm making a I'm making a paper laptop for me and my friend to play.
She should be here any minute. Let's go downstairs.
Okay.
Run, run, run. Hiya, boo boo. Hey. I get you good. What are you doing? Look at this hair. Someone is fighting her nap.
Yes.
She hasn't napped all day. Boom. What's wrong? What's wrong with you, Sia? What's wrong? Go to bed. You need a nap. Want a babas? I make you baba? So, we just got home and baby finally fell asleep at 4 p.m. Finally. I just threw it out here and she just knocked out after like 10 minutes. She's so white. Hurry up, I got work. Run, run, run. Way to hustle. I have work in like 20 minutes. And your Chinese teacher should be here very soon. I love you, my darling. I love you, dear. Yes, I do. I love you, even when you smell like doo-doo. I'm just kidding, you never smell like doo-doo. But your sister, on the other hand, sister on the other hand, she is a doo-doo monster. She had the stinkiest doo-doo today. I was like, oh my god.
The stinkiest poop.
You need to condition this hair. It's so dry.
Jamie, my hair. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
And now I teach for the next, I just got done with 2 classes. My student is late. That's what it looks like. And we're having a monthly quiz. So if you're interested, super easy. They watch a 1-minute warm-up video and then we're just reviewing the curriculum that we went over this week. And basically the kids are just saying, this is Spider-Man, this is Transformer. They each take a turn saying everything that's on the screen. That's it. And then here, like, I guide them through a game. So I say number 1, and they tell me what the name of the picture is. So I would say, what's number 1? And they'd say, this is Spider-Man. And then I'd assign each student to be one character, and then they'd switch roles, and they'll just say the sentence. So I'll ask them, what toys do you have? And then he'll say, I have Play-Doh. And then I'll ask him again, what toys do you have? And then he'll say, I have a puzzle. It's literally that easy. And I have to go.
电视。对了，
电视，
很棒。又一颗星星。下一个，出棋子，棋子在哪？棋子是红色的，棋子是红色。Which I think is 红色。对了，说棋子3遍。
3遍。
棋子。好，来。
哎呀不，这就不，这就不，哎呀不，哎呀不，爸爸就。
Like that? Okie dokie. So work's over. Now we're here at our favorite steak place, eating some dinner. Yeah. How's your chicken? Are you all done? Want me to finish it? Yummy. And that's a wrap. Say bye, see ya. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you later.
No running with all that in your mouth, please. Baba Jabba Jee.
Bye bye.
And so they can't do it because if they do it by themselves, they're not protecting mommy. If their shell will break and you won't have anywhere to live. You'll have to live under mommy. Under mommy, and the other mommy is their daddy.
So wait, tell me again what we're talking about. You made...
You're a grandpa, and I'm the mommy, and...
But you were telling me before that your baby turtle, or your turtle that you made out of Play-Doh, laid 2 babies?
Oh, the mommy turtle, she laid 2 babies. But they're sleeping in their Play-Doh thing.
Your Play-Doh house?
Yeah.
So they don't dry up?
Because turtles usually have to be in water. And I put them in the green stuff because there's green water, but it's bluish, okay? So they won't die.
Oh, that's good. That's really bright. Oh my goodness.
And I gave them food inside there so the mommy can swim up, grab the food, and bring it to the babies. If I'm not up when it's breakfast time for them. Dada, did you know that after breakfast, I wash my hands and I play Play-Doh to give my turtles breakfast? Dad, want to know something I did today?
Tell me.
While you were at work?
Whatever.
I made pancakes for my mommy. For the mommy turtle that laid 2 babies.
She was probably really hungry after having 2 babies.
No, she didn't lay babies first. She had to eat so her babies would fall out. She was actually married, and then when she got married, the husband had a car. The wife, she told the daddy turtle to drive her straight to the hospital because she was having those 2 babies.
Did they make it in time?
Yeah.
I didn't know that mommy turtles ate pancakes.
they have to eat pancakes so the babies can eat healthy. She can't eat like broccoli because the baby need to get used to like food.
Okay.
We're gonna do pancakes and then pancakes with butter, pancakes with butter and fruit. Daddy, I really think we should do pancakes with butter and blueberries and a little bit of raspberries and some strawberries.
That sounds good. And I have an idea.
What?
Instead of syrup, we can use honey because it's more healthy.
Well, I don't really like honey. It's a little too sweet for me.
I think syrup's more sweet than honey is.
No, it's not. Syrup is for waffles. Syrup is for pancakes. Honey is for waffles.
Okay. I think it's a personal preference. Hey, I have another idea.
What?
Can the pancakes be made out of like can they be like whole wheat pancakes?
They are whole wheat.
Okay, good.
What are whole wheat?
Whole wheat, I think it just means like a healthier form of like
Oh, Dada, and I made a stove and my own pan and a fork for my baby. But since she was in bed having no eggs, so we had to go to the hospital when they hatched.
Okay.
Because the doctor could help them if anything was wrong, like if they had a cut or if the pancake was like a little too hard and the kids like choked.
Were there any complications?
Yeah, there was one complication. When the mommy had an egg, the shell it was already hatched. And one knew something. The pancake came in straight away. The kids, but one knew something.
Yeah.
The eggs couldn't get any pancake.
Aww, poor eggs. What'd they eat?
But don't worry, eventually they hatched because when the pancake was so heavy, they hatched. But one knew something really bad. They wanted a little piece of eggshell. It got inside the egg that they were born out of and scratched it.
Ouch.
I had to put a bandage on it.
No stitches?
Nope.
That's good. Stitches are no good.
But you had to take a shot.
Oh man, those are the worst.
But one of the worstest things.
Tell me.
She had to take medicine every single day. And I had to make breakfast in bed. And she had to stay in bed for 2 weeks.
What? 2 whole weeks? Get out of here.
But you can still play with her, but it has to be in bed.
Okay.
You can play like rock, paper, scissors, or checkers.
Well, how about tic-tac-toe?
What's tic-tac-toe?
With the X's and the O's.
Oh, yeah.
What about that one new game we've discovered today? Connect 4. Remember that? Where you had to get 4 in a row? Did you ever win one of those? Or did the computer win all the time?
Oh, I win 6.
You win 6?
Yeah.
Wow. That's amazing.
I actually win 10.
You win 10?
Yep.
Okay.
And this guy wins more than me.
Really?
He wins 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Wow. Can you count to 12 in Chinese?
No.
How high can you count in Chinese?
Only the 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job. I don't know if that's right, but it sounds good.
It is right.
I believe you.
Cindy taught me.
Oh, she's the best.
Cindy taught me how to count in Chinese. But you didn't teach me how to count to 12.
Mm-hmm. Maybe your new Chinese teacher can teach you that, huh?
She actually told me to count to 13.
Really?
Which I don't really remember.
It's okay, you got plenty of time.
I only remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job. Alright, Squirt, we gotta get to bed because Mama has a big day planned for us tomorrow. But I'll see you bright and early. Don't forget to wake me up.
Daddy, if you're still... Daddy, you can't go out. Because if I wake up and you have to be sleeping because I have to wake you up.
Okay, I'm not leaving tomorrow.
Okay, no leaving. Because if Mama wakes me up, I have to wake you up.
Tomorrow's my day off.
Yep.
Tomorrow's Sunday. We don't work on Sundays. We just relax.
You mean go out?
Well, we're gonna go out and do like the family thing, but I'm not gonna go to the cafe to work. Pinky promise.
Pinky promise. I don't even want to see you on your phone.
I won't be on my phone either. I hate being on.
What will you be on?
I'm gonna be on this pillow sleeping. I love you. You gotta kiss it, because that's our pinky promise. You didn't kiss it. No, you don't kiss my pinky, you weirdo. You kiss like you do, remember? Like that.
No, like that.
Okay. That works for me. Good night, sweets.
Did I read this to me?
No, I'm not reading Paddington again. Shut off the light. We're going to bed.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
I don't know how.
Yes, you do. Press the button. Again. 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 Ah!